Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your Face ID just isn't working on your iPhone. Now, as always, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but I'll go and break down 4 reasons that are broken down into 2 sections that will probably end up fixing it for you. Now, the very first thing you have to understand is that the Face ID sensor is on the front of the phone, obviously, but it's not necessarily the front camera. There is like another sensor to the left of it that is pretty much the Face ID sensor. Now you can go ahead and tell actually, if you go ahead and cover up like pretty much everything except that camera, Face ID may not work. There may be a glitch, maybe it'll go ahead and go through sometimes, but most of the time that will not end up working. So what you want to do, the very first thing I'd recommend you doing is making sure nothing is obstructing the view of that Face ID sensor. So as I mentioned before, the camera's on the right. You want to make sure that there's nothing, there's no grease, there's nothing you want to wipe down the front of that, camera, even just the whole entire notch. On top of that, if you have a case or screen protector that covers up or partially covers up any of that area, it's not going to work. So you want to make sure nothing is covering that area. You want to grab like a microfiber cloth or something and wipe down that specific portion of the notch. That will end up fixing the issue, for the most part. Again, it's not a guarantee, but as long as you have your face and you didn't alter your face in a crazy way, you should be able to go ahead and use Face ID and that should end up working. If that still doesn't work, what I would recommend doing is just restarting the phone. So go ahead and, for all Face ID devices, press the volume up button and the side button right here, power off your phone, hold down the side button again to turn it back on, and then go ahead and go through, and that probably should end up fixing the issue. Now, if those things don't work, the secondary steps I would go ahead and take are pretty much easier than that. If your Face ID still isn't working and you wiped it down and you restarted your phone and everything, either have a software issue or you may have an actual, hardware defect for your Face ID sensor. So what I would recommend doing at this point is I would recommend going into your settings app just like this. I would go ahead and then scroll down until you pretty much get into general. So you want to click general, you want to click software update, which is right here. And you want to make sure you're up to date on the most recent version of software you have available. This will end up fixing the issue, probably if it's a software issue. If you're on a very outdated version of software, again, a lot of issues can arise. So pretty much just, getting the latest version of software, downloading it on your phone and updating your phone that way is a surefire way of actually increasing your chances of having this not be a hardware defect. So I would recommend going ahead and updating your phone. Now, let's say you update your phone, you go ahead and go through Face ID and it's still not working, or it works sometimes and it doesn't work, and you went ahead and wiped down the notch and you can go ahead and verify that it's not really a software issue and nothing's obstructing the view. Well, you may have a faulty Face ID sensor. The only way to fix this really is to go to Apple and have them take care of it, or replace the screen, have them replace it or whatever. But I've seen time and time again, some people will actually crack their display and it'll go ahead and crack right up here above the notch. And sometimes that can also affect the Face ID sensor on this thing. So if you have a lot of hardware defects, a lot of cracks on the display or a lot of cracks on the glass screen protector, if you have, you dropped your phone a lot and now Face ID isn't working, you may have some hardware defects that are affecting your device that it doesn't matter what software version you're on, it's not going to work. So you're going to have to go and turn your phone into Apple and have them fix it for you, or buy a new iPhone or whatever the case is. And at that point I would recommend contacting Apple, to be honest. So that pretty much covers it up for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.